Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited because we are opening up the July Glossybox, and I know I've said this pretty much every time they have a limited edition box, but this is like the cutest box I've ever received from them. Look at this. It's beautiful. Magnetic closure. This will go so well in my future apartment. So yeah, today we will be unboxing the July super cute Glossybox, and there also is a promotion this month. So Glossybox costs $21 per month and you get 5 items valued at $80 or more. It is awesome, perfect treat to get in the mail each month for yourself. I do have a promo code with Glossybox. If you subscribe to a 12-month subscription plan, your first box is only $1. And there's a promotion going on in July. If you use my link and code down below, you will have the opportunity, and I believe you have to use it in the month of July. So we only have like a week and 2 weeks left. I don't know. I don't know time, but if you use that, you get entered to win a special prize, which we will be unboxing at the end of this video. It's right here, gold and shiny. So 5 people will win this prize when you get your July box. If you have a golden ticket inside, that means you won. I think that's super exciting. So if you like what you see in today's video, definitely make sure to subscribe in the month of June if you want the prize, which again, we will be getting into after the unboxing. But let's get started. So again, beautiful box. And if you hear anything in the background, that is my cat Emmy. So cute. Here we go. There's a little pamphlet here. Hey Glossies. I love that. I always have to say that way, like kind of Gossip Girl style. And I'll talk about everything that's inside along with the pricing. So you get a mix of deluxe and full-size items. And then it looks like they have a referral program, so they talk about that here. And then we have an example of what the golden ticket will look like. So if you get this in your box, you won a Soleil Infrared Original Flat Iron worth $350. Again, I'll be showing you that later. Oh my god, how exciting. It reminds me of like Willy Wonka, like when you buy the chocolate bars. I always wanted to get one. Like, I never see those at the stores anymore. But back to Glossybox. So all of the items are wrapped super cute, like every month. I love how the tissue paper goes with it. Oh, so pretty. So let's get started. First thing I see on top is a mask by Purlisse. Oh my god, I love the look of this. Doesn't this go with the box and the theme and everything? Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. Intense sleep, moisturizing, soothing, and balancing. I've tried a lot of Purlisse masks before, but not this one, so I'm super excited. It's supposed to deliver antioxidants and minerals to your skin, and it fights free radicals and improves skin texture. Smooth, leaves skin healthy, radiant, beautiful. I could use this. I've got some dry skin lately for some reason. Oh, I've tried this and I really like this. This is by Batiste. It's one of their dry shampoos. It's the volumizing one. I tried this recently for the first time and I do think it gives my hair some volume, and I could use some. I have very straight, flat hair, so it removes oil and gives you volume. Awesome, especially for second day hair. And next, oh, I think I've tried this in the past. Or, no, actually I tried something else from this brand, but I liked it. Verso eye cream, and this is full size. Or actually it says it's deluxe size, but this looks like it is full size. For an eye cream, this is a lot of product, 7 milliliters, so this will last you a lot because you just put a little bit on your finger and tap it in. So yeah, this is a skincare brand I have tried just a few things from, but I've liked them so far, so that's really exciting to get it in here. Then next I'm really excited about, this is by Ciate London. I think this is a little blush, illuminating blush. Yep, the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. And what shade? Matchmaker. So here is the outer packaging. So you could have gotten this or a little eyeshadow duo. And I've tried some of Ciate London's blushes before. That's why I was excited to see this in here, because I really like them. And I don't think I have this shade. Let's do a little swatch. Can you see it there? I've tried this formula before, like I said, and it's buildable. This is perfect for my skin tone. But look, see how it does have that like shine and it has some color to it? Is that weird? My makeup's really old. I did my makeup a long time ago and was out and about looking at new apartments. Oh, I can tell a difference. Normally I don't pat in my blush like this, but I guess I do because I use creams. This works though. I like it. Awesome. And oh yes, I love getting new brushes. We have a duo here. These are by EB Elena Badro. I don't think I've ever gotten brushes from this company, but look how pretty these are. I love the color, and it looks like kind of turquoise, but I doubt it is, but like it looks like a stone, maybe in like marble. And we have one blender brush and like an eyebrow brush. Awesome. Let's see what they say. So this is full size, and this duo is $34. Wow, the Divine Duo set. Yeah, this beautiful sea green set is an angled brush and a blending brush. Could be used for a brow liner or eyeshadow. And I'm super excited. I think this was a really good box, and I think they always do so well at keeping up with the theme. Like everything looks like matches with the outer box and everything. Oh my god, so cute. So I think my favorite item, I mean the brushes, I think these are so pretty. Love them. The blush. Oh, I like everything. I do. And the box. This is, like I said, my favorite. I think I'm going to store something in here and put it in my bathroom. So I think this will go well in there, but definitely going to repurpose that. But now, let's look at this $350 friggin' thing. The Soleil Let Your Hair Shine Infrared Original Professional Rose Gold Titanium Plates Infrared Heating, safe for the hair. So I was reading about this. It really is good for your hair because it contains like a lot of negative ions, and what causes hair damage and frizz is positive ions. So we don't need to get into all the mumbo jumbo science stuff, but when you have the negative in here going against the positive, it neutralizes it, making your hair less frizzy and straight and smooth and healthy looking. And isn't this like so pretty and sleek? I'll turn around so I can read what it says in the back too. But it looks really nice. So, oh, it actually talks about the positive stuff. Dryness and frizz come from positive ions in the hair, and this ion releases a large amount of negative ions, neutralizing the positive ones and reducing the amount of frizz and static. Wow, I almost quoted that exactly. So, it doesn't damage your hair. It actually dissipates water molecules, breaking them into smaller droplets to absorb into the hair. So moisture is locked in, and it provides a protective barrier, reducing chemical and bacteria buildup. This is awesome. No wonder. Like, I know hair products like this can be really expensive, but it's because they have all of those amazing properties, and it's seriously super sleek. So making it super easy to store. And look at that rose gold in there. Can you see? I know it's a little reflective, but I am super pumped about this and super excited that some of you may win this. So if you guys are interested in this, it's super lightweight, by the way. Definitely make sure to subscribe, even if it's just for the box. It's freaking really good. I think Glossybox, I've said this many times, has just been getting better. And you know, a lot of boxes have kind of been going down. I'm not trying to compare or anything like that, but just saying, I've been really enjoying my Glossybox subscription. It was gifted to me, but I'm always honest with you guys. So thank you, Glossybox. Thank you to all you guys for being here and watching. I appreciate it so much. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I've been getting them for over 8 years since I first got Birchbox. So yeah, I opened them here on our channel, and then I have a new channel where I'm going to be talking about everything besides unboxing. So I would love if you subscribe to this channel, that channel, neither. Just so grateful and happy that you are here. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I have a lot of boxes to open, so I will be seeing you super soon. Love you. Bye.